know if a rail first shot is available between the 5 and the 4 ball.
Between that purple
Oh.
for an orange 5.
Ayun.
Rekta. Because again, the shot clock is forcing you to make quick decisions and execute them immediately. So, tuwan-tuwa yung itong taga-Tondo. Sukuin natin sa Tondo again. Elevated bridge by Ordanites. Got it. Mapapaisip ka ngayon, sino kaya ang i-deploy bukas?
Yeah.
Nakadepende pa rin yan kung sino ang i-deploy nila.
They know they're so close to the finish line.
Right. At mukhang kailangan mo nang iporma yung monologue mo.
Pumwesto ka na ron,
Oh.
Jay. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Taking one back against the Mavericks this week.
Finally, yes. So the defending champions, Taguig Stallions, taking care of business dito po sa ating Doubles Tuesday.